Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we're going to make a classic date square with a twist. And you're going to love the lightly spiced buttery oatmeal crust layered with soft jammy dates. The first thing we want to do is coarsely chop 1.5 cups of dates. And they're a bit gummy, so you just got to work your way through them. We'll add our chopped dates to a medium saucepan, and don't worry, I will have the recipe link for you in the description. 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of water, a tablespoon of fresh orange zest, and you want to be careful to only get the rind and not the white pith underneath, and 1/3 cup of fresh orange juice. It's about the juice of 1 orange, depending on your orange. We're going to bring our dates to a gentle simmer and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until they're soft and jammy. And while the dates are cooking, it's a good time to get your oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll put together the buttery spiced crumb base. I'm starting with 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and to that I'm going to add 1.5 cups of old-fashioned oats, sometimes referred to as large flake oatmeal, 1 cup of lightly packed brown sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 teaspoons of cardamom. The cardamom is wonderful with orange, the dates, and the buttery crumb crust. Cardamom, along with the orange, is a fantastic twist on the classic. We'll give this all a light whisk just to combine everything. We'll cut in 1 cup or 224 grams of cold unsalted butter that I've cubed already. I'm using a standard pastry cutter today. And you want the mixture to startly pack together when lightly squeezed. Lightly butter a 9" by 9" cake pan. We're going to line with parchment and allow the edges to overhang. And the light buttering everywhere just helps the parchment to stay in place. We'll add 1/2 of the crumb mixture and press in firmly. I find using a flat bottom device like a measuring cup can help to press it in evenly. And now we'll top with our jammy dates and spread out evenly. And top off with the remainder of the crumb mixture, spreading out evenly and packing lightly. Bake for about 30 minutes in the preheated oven until golden, and the aroma is amazing. We'll let the squares cool before we lift them out and slice them. We're going to loosen our edges, and we'll pop our squares onto a cutting board. And we want to get rid of the parchment, of course. You can cut them into any size that you wish. I find 4 by 5 are a nice size. Lightly spiced with cardamom and flavored with orange for a delicious twist on a classic. If you've never had a date square with ice cream, I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed the Cardamom Date Squares. It's a lovely twist on an old classic. Don't forget to subscribe, and any feedback that you might have is always appreciated. We'll see you again.